Hey guys, it's Leslie from Sweet Olive Farms. Today at the farm, we are making a yummy garden burrito. So we're going to take some of our garlic and peel, and then we're going to grate that into a bowl. But first, we're going to break it apart and peel all those paper parts off. Okay, we're taking a microplane and we want the garlic to be as fine as possible so you don't have to have such a big bite of garlic when you bite into this pico that we're making. I like the flavor throughout the pico, so when you use a microplane, it just gets that garlic super fine and it can mix in really well to your pico or your salsa. The very best tomatoes to use in any pico or salsa are vine ripened, garden fresh, warm from the sun tomatoes. And if you don't have those, you can still get a lot of varieties of tomatoes from the store that are vine ripened. There are a lot more options out there at grocery stores these days. So just make sure you get the ripest. And I prefer vine ripened. If they're still on the vine, even better. Or if you have your greenhouse and you have tomatoes outside in the winter, then you're super lucky. And just this is the best thing to use those tomatoes in. You want your tomatoes to be really finely diced, just so you don't get only a big bite of tomato in your burrito. I like my pico to be really picado, so just really finely diced. Okay, same thing with the onion. We want it really finely diced, so when you bite into that fresh pico, you don't just get a big mouthful of onion or tomato or garlic. You want everything to be finely diced. This is my favorite flavor in the pico. I love the fresh lime zest as well as the lime juice. It just adds a bright, delicious, zesty flavor to your pico. I feel like this is left out a lot, so make sure to get that in. It rounds out all those flavors, all those sharp flavors from the onions and tomatoes and garlic. This kind of just brings it together and makes it so yummy. Make sure to add a little bit of salt and pepper if you want, and then you can add other vegetables. This is a basic pico that we're using, so you can add jalapeno if you want, or peppers, just green bell peppers, or any kind of spiciness that you want, or tomatillos at this point. That kind of makes it more of a salsa instead of a pico, but either way, add what you want, add what you desire. Sometimes I add corn and beans. That kind of makes it a little different, but this is what we're going with today. And then we fried up our meat. I like to grill it out on the grill, but in the winter, I don't want to go out in the snow and freezing. So, of course, we're just going to cook it inside. we're going to add all of the toppings to our burritos. So we're going to add the meat and the cheese and the sour cream and that nice fresh pico that we just made from the garden, and then roll it up and that is it for our burrito. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this recipe so that we can make more for you guys from our fresh garden recipes that we make here at the farm. Enjoy!